Saluton, benvenen al mia canalo. Today we are going to start lesson 7 about basic numbers and colors. So let's start. Also, I would take some notes. So,
Saluton, kai bonvenon. Hello and welcome. This is lesson 7. In this lesson, you're going to learn about basic numbers and colors. By the end of this lesson, you're going to be able to count from 0 to 999,999. So let's start with 0 to 10. Nul,
wow. Uno,
du,
duo,
tri,
tri, quar,
kvar, kvin,
kvin,
ses,
ses. Too fast. Ses,
sep,
sep,
ok,
ok,
now,
now,
dek.
dek.
Numbers in Esperanto never take the null ending. As an example, I have 3 dogs. Mi havas 3 hundojn.
What?
Mi havas 3 hundojn.
I have 3 dogs. Mi havas 3 hundojn. Mi havas 3 hundojn.
For multiples of 10, you just say any number from 2 through 9 plus dek with no space in between. So we have dudek.
My recording has stopped, but it wasn't very difficult part, so I wouldn't play back. So, why everybody calls me? So, let's continue. I stopped on 20, 30, 40. So 20 is dudek, 30 tridek. So it just numbers from 2 to 9 plus dek for multiple numbers. And now we are on, I don't know how to say it. These numbers. So 23 is dudek 3, 38 tridek ok, 56 quindek ses, 74 sepdek quar.
And the word for 100 is cent.
Cent. Cent.
Multiples of 100 work just like multiples of 10 in Esperanto. You say the number 2 through 9, the number of hundreds, plus cent, with no space in between. Some examples are ducent, 200, tricent, 300, all the way up to okcent, 800, and
Octcent. 900. No, cent.
naucent,
No,
900. For other numbers bigger than 100 that aren't multiples of 100, we do the same thing that we did with numbers less than 100. You say the hundreds place with a space, followed by the tens place with another space, followed by the ones place. Some examples are 101.
101.
101. We don't need to say nul for the tens place. We can assume that if there's no number given for the tens place, that the tens place is just 0. Cent dec. 110. Cent dec uno. 111.
Cent dec uno.
Cent tridec nau. 139.
Cent tridec nau. 139. Cent tridec nau.
Septcent kvardec du. 742.
Kvardec du. Septcent. Oh my god. 742. Septcent. 740. Kvardec du. Kvardec du. Okay.
Naucent naudec nau. 999.
Noncent nondec nine. No. Cent naudec. No.
One important thing to learn when learning Esperanto numbers is that the comma and the decimal point are switched. In English, we use a comma to separate the thousands place, and we use a point to separate decimals. But in Esperanto, we use the decimal point to separate the thousands place, and we use the comma to make decimals. The Esperanto word for 1000 is mil.
Mil.
And when you say multiples of 1000, unlike multiples of 10 and multiples of 100, where you have no space between a number and the tens or hundreds place, you do need a space when representing multiples of 1000. I'll show you what I mean. Mil naucent naudec kvin. 1000.
Oh. 1090. 995. Mil naucent naudec quin. Mil naucent naudec quin. 1090. 995. Mil naucent naudec quin. 5.
1995. Du mil. 2000.
Du mil.
Notice that we have the space between du and mil. Du mil dec kvin. 2015. How would you say this number?
Du mil. Dec quin. Dec quin. 2015. Du mil dec quin.
15. How would you say this number?
Okay. 32,000, yeah. Three. I don't know. 3 dec du mil. 3 dec du mil. Sep. Cent. Sep cent. Dec ok. Dec o. De. So 32 will be tridek, du, mil, thousands, sep, cent, 700, 18, unudek, ok. So,
Tridek du mil, sepcent dek ok.
Tridek, du mil, tridek, tridek du mil, sepcent dek ok. Okay. 30,070, 718, tridek du mil, sepcent dek ok. 718, tridek du mil.
And how about this number?
Nauncent, naundek, naucent, naundek, naun mil, nauncent, naundek, naucent, naunden, naucent, naundek, nau, mil, naucent, naundek, nau. So, naucent, naundek, nau, mil, naucent, naundek, nau.
Now we can talk about colors. Coloro.
Coloro. Coloro.
Color. Ruja. Red.
Red, ruja.
Orange colora.
Orange, colora. Orange.
Flava. Yellow.
Yellow.
Verda.
What?
Green.
Green. Verde.
Blua. Blue.
Blua.
Viocolora.
Viocolor.
Violet.
Violet. Viocolor.
Purpura. Purple.
Purple. Purpura.
Rose colora.
Rose color.
Pink.
Pink. Rose color.
Nigra.
Nigra black.
Black.
Nigra.
Grisa.
Grisa.
Gray.
Grisa. Gray.
Bruna.
Gray. How does it spell? Grisa. Grisa.
Gray.
Gray.
Bruna.
Bruna. Brown.
Brown.
Bruna.
Blanca.
Blanca. White.
White.
Blanca.
You might have noticed that a few of these words have the ending colora. We use this ending colora for colors that are derived from objects. As an example, the word in Esperanto for an orange is oranjo. When you make this an adjective and say oranja, this means orangey or orange-like. But if we want to specify orange color, we would say orange colora, orange colored. Another example is roso, a rose. From this we can make rose colora, rose colored, or pink. And we had the example violo, a violet. By adding colora, we make
okay,
viol
to
colora,
separate, okay,
violet colored.
understand.
Notice that colors have the ending a, so they are adjectives. This means that they can have the yo and no endings.
Colors are adjectives, they can have...
Means
what?
that they can have the yo and no endings.
Okay.
One example sentence with this is, bananas are yellow.
Bananoi estas flavaj. Flavaj. Bananoi estas flavaj.
Bananoj estas flavaj.
Bananoj estas flavaj. Bananas are yellow. Bananoj estas
Another one is, I'm eating a red apple.
I'm eating, I don't remember. Manjas. Mi estas manjas. A red apple. Ruĝa pomo. Mi estas manĝas ruĝa pomo.
Mi manĝas
Mi
ruĝan
manĝas.
pomon.
Without estas. Mi manĝas ruĝan pomon. Okay. I'm eating a red apple. Mi manĝas. I'm eating red ruĝan as engine and pomon, apple.
Thank you so much for watching.
Thank
Don't forget
you.
to thumbs up my video if you liked it, and please subscribe to my channel for more.
Someday I'll subscribe. Okay, I'll subscribe now. Thank you for the lesson. It was pretty easy, but some of vocabulary is a bit different from English and Russian. It's hard to remember, but it was fun. So here's my notice from today's lesson. I'll repeat it, and also I think I feel more confident now speaking Esperanto. Not because I learned so much. I knew something, and maybe it's easier for me because it's already video number 7, I guess, or 6. So yeah, it feels much easier. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye. What the fuck? Ah! My telephone has broken. How to stop the record? Okay. Maybe I just